Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, click on Open. And now finally, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your TCLs, dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!